Working through another project on the 300D. So today I was looking at, I've had a glow plug problem where the light that's on the instrument cluster at the bottom, it's supposed to turn on for 2, 3, 4, whatever seconds, and then when it go off when the engine's ready to go. So you put it in position 2, you see that little symbol, little loop-de-loop, and then once it goes away, you just turn the key, car starts. So mine's not been working, and so I think I just found out why. Let's see. Okay, so here I've already gone and taken the intake manifold off and that turbo air pipe, so got them over there. I'll clean that stuff up and I'll be leaving this apart for a while because I have to get to some stuff. I'd love to be driving the car more, but I have to get this cruise control actuator out. That one's broken, and get that over to Programa. And yeah, I put in the new glow plugs. So the old ones, I'm getting them off, and then I realized that number one is it just broke. It didn't break as I'm turning it. It was like this. So I think because this is messed up, that's what the problem is. I did check the glow plug relay down here, and the fuse was questionable, so I replaced that. But still, it was the same thing. So yeah, now I just have to get this little piece off. And then I have all the actual glow plugs down here. You can see this one's missing the piece that needs to go in there, make it glow. So I'm gonna try these out too, just to see. Even though this one's missing, I can just say that's bad, I think. But I'm gonna try the other ones just to see if they still work, and then toss them out. But yeah, nothing too crazy. And then while I'm here, my good friend Al had kind of sent me these lines before, and there's one that goes under here. It's kind of like, some people call it the cigar one because it has a little piece going out. I can swap this, take this banjo bolt off, and then swap that piece, since I got pretty easy access right now. So, and then I have a new gasket here for the intake manifold. I'm going to get new bolts too. So one of them got stripped when I was taking it out, and I had to get a bolt extractor to get that out, and that worked. So yeah, and it looks like, there had been, it looked like I was missing one of these brackets that goes and hooks your hard line onto the intake manifold. So I put a new one on. You can tell which one's new. This one must have just fallen way back here, and so got an extra one of those. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get this part off, get these glow plugs tested, start looking at getting this out, probably just take a break for a while. Alright, I'm going to test the glow plugs. What I did here is I just have a jumper cable on my negative, and then I'm just going to go here and touch the glow plug to the positive, and then it should light up pretty quick if it's in good working shape. Looks like nothing's happening there. Okay, so I think this number 6 wasn't working. So if I do number 5 and just put it on here. I saw it smoking a second ago. There we go. There we go. Okay, I wasn't touching it flat in the bottom. All right, good. So number 5 is definitely good. I think number 6 is totally messed up. Okay, so yeah, I tested 6 again. 6 is messed up. So here's number 4. Give it a minute. There we go. Okay, number 4 looks good. Here's number 3. Yep, that was really good. Wow. Okay. Here's number 2. Okay, it's going. It's having to think about it. Look here. All right, that one's good. Okay, testing number 1. And this is number 1 that I put back together. So this isn't even really, it was broken when I took it apart. Well, I think I'm done for now. I basically got the cruise control actuator out, which was a little interesting. You kind of have to take the bracket off in order to get at the 3 bolts that hold that on. Maybe I can show that when I reinstall it. But yeah, basically got that out, got it boxed up. Going to be sending that into Programa. Just got to drop the box at UPS and get them to sort that one out. And then once I get it back, I'll start putting everything back together. So in the meantime, I just won't drive the car for a bit. Look at some other jobs. I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned.